guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is your teacher Daryl Del Mundo. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so that you are updated and notified to my latest EduSci vlogs, my tutorials, and my travels. Right at this moment, I will teach you a very important feature or application where we can use in our Google meetings in times of our video conferencing or online classes. I know that you are familiar already with the Zoom application, right? Because in Zoom, you can see there an emoticon, right? Not just an emoticon, but signs or gestures like thumbs up, like raising his or her hand, something like that. But this time in Google Meet, this is not available, okay? And this is what you should do for you to be able to have this kind of emoticon. And this is what we call the nod extension. Watch this, learn, and do not forget to sit back, relax, and let us all watch this. Hello there guys, welcome back. This is your teacher Daryl Del Mundo. And for today's topic, I will teach you how to insert an emoticon or what we call nod feature in your Google Meet. Okay, actually this is not included. Unlike in Zoom, there are different emoticons or like signs that you can see on the Zoom. But this time in Google Meet, you cannot see any emoticons or icons or any gestures that you can see that you're going to raise your hand, you're going to speak or not, and whatsoever. So today, I will show you that. Okay? So first things first, let's go to our browser. Okay? And then when we go to our browser, let's go first to the Meet. Type Google Meet. And then it will bring us to the, you know already, to the dashboard of the Google Meet. And then we're going to open another window. So again, it's like you are adding some features, adding some applications in your Google Chrome. Okay? So this is very helpful. We're going to start a meeting. Okay, so now we are preparing to start the meeting, and then you can see that this is just a typical Google Meet video conference or online classes with your students, especially teachers. Be sure and at the same time see to it that your students have these features also. Okay, so let's turn off the microphone and then let's start. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the link. You already know this one. And then we're going to close it. Okay, so there you go. So this is a typical part of the Google Meet dashboard. Okay, this is where the video conference or the online classes or class that you have happen. Okay, so you will not see any icons around it. Okay, but usually when you are already have the nod icon or nod feature, it is located here on your upper right corner of your Google Meet. Okay, so let's go second rather. Let's go now to nod extension. Let's type it. Okay, so same like what we did to Meet attendance, like that, and do a less. This one, nod reactions for Google Meet, Chrome Web Store. Okay, let's go to Chrome Web Store, and then let's go to add this one. Okay. Idagdag sa Chrome or add to your Chrome. And let's wait for a while. So this is what it looks like. This is what the icon looks like. It's like a like sign, okay? Okay, still searching, and then let's add extension. And then let's wait for a while. Okay, it's still like, downloading and then installing to your browser. Okay, so you already have it. So here, it is already included in your, besides your address bar. Okay, So this is where all the features or the applications of Google Chrome extensions are located here. Okay. Another actions for Google Meet has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on this icon. Manage your extensions by clicking extensions in the tools menu. Okay, this one. Okay, so when you are done, let's just add it. Do not forget to pin it so that you will be able to see it over the extension toolbar. And then let's go back to the Meet. So as you can see, there's no emoticons over there. Okay, and then we need to refresh it. Then, meaning to say, we are going to start another meeting, and then let's see if our node extension or somewhat like emoticons are now located in our meeting. There you go. You see it? And then when you what do you call this? Like, you put over the mouse on this part, and there's a lot of emoticons here. And then want more emojis? Just click this one, like thumbs up, thumbs down, clap, and it's GIF, it's moving. Okay? And then this one, if you're going to raise your hand, just put your mouse over the icon and then click it, and then you will see Teacher Da is raising his hand. Okay? Or good job. Okay? So you can interact with your students if they wanted to raise their hand when it comes to recitation. Okay, that's very, very important, so that you will know that your students are going to recite, or they need, or you need to notify the needs or to cater the needs of your students by clicking those icons. Remember, this is just for your Google Chrome only. Be sure that your students also have this kind of node extension in your Google Chrome. For that, we will be able to have an interactive and at the same time, a very, very motivated online classes by doing this one. Okay, for example, your student's camera is not working. So the mere fact that this node extension is very helpful when he or she decided to click just an emoticon, meaning to say, I get it, right? Okay, if he or she wanted to raise his or her hand, just click the emoticon. Okay? So this is very important when it comes to our online classes. So I hope you learned something today. Do not forget, let's emote, let's react, and let's learn. This is your teacher Dario Del Mundo. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so that you are notified and updated to my tutorials. Bye! God bless you all.